Hello traders, Mark P. Markets here. My name is Mark Principato and I'm a chartered market technician, and thank you for joining me for another exclusive Bitcoin video analysis here for Forex Empire. So in this session I want to talk about two things that we see now on this chart and can give us some clues for the coming days. Okay, so with that being said, this is for educational purposes only. For investment advice, please consult a licensed investment advisor. Also, if you'd like to know more about greenbridgeinvesting.com, I'll put a link in the descriptive portion of this analysis and you could check out all the stuff that we have there. We have a chat room and free trial and all that stuff. Okay, so with that, let's get started. Now, this Bitcoin situation, I want to point out, we waited. If you go back to watch previous analyses that I've done, okay, I've talked about the 30K support level now for about, 2 or 3 weeks. And yesterday we got our buy signal. All right, it came here in the form of this bullish pin bar off of 31K. Now, we waited basically 3 weeks for this signal, and the trade was sent out yesterday, very early in the day, and it was upon the break of the high of this candle, which was around 34K. All right, just over 34K. That is where our long was taken. Now, we had no trades in Bitcoin for 3 weeks, and we waited for this opportunity. So the first point that I wanted to make is high-quality opportunities are rare and infrequent. People have been giving us a hard time. Where are your trades? How come you're not taking trades up here at 39K? Because it was not fitting the criteria. We had a predetermined area, which I've talked about, 30K. I've talked about also the 32K area, but here we are. It basically touched 31K. That's close enough. Second, we got the setup, okay? So the criteria was met at a good level, and the reward risk was attractive. We only had to risk 4,000 points based on this candle here, which is acceptable, okay? Especially off of such a major support. And now look, the trade is green by 3,500 points or whatever it is. Now, this is not the time to be buying it now, because now you have to take enormous risk relative to where we got it. So that's one of the first things I wanted to say. High quality trades. How many people got sucked in at these fake out highs because they were reacting to something? Perhaps something that someone else said. Perhaps they just, lacked patience or whatever it is, fear of missing out. This was not a good level. 40K was a resistance level. All right, we got near a support, and it took a while. It took weeks for the market to deliver that opportunity. Again, we had to wait 3 weeks. I keep emphasizing that because we had no Bitcoin trades. Okay. People come to us looking for trades, and they can't figure out why we stand aside and wait for high quality. Well, here it is. Anyway, now the thing is, this is also an aggressive trade. Why is it aggressive? Because the bearish momentum from back here, from that 50K break and 40K break, that momentum is still in play. This has not been taken out yet, right? It's still in control until 40K is taken out. So we need to clear this resistance. The thing about our trade is we are in a strong position. We are in a strong hand. If Bitcoin fails at 40K again, we'll still be green, and we have the choice of getting out early for a smaller profit or whatever. Okay, it's not very risky for us because we're in from a good price. But if 40K is cleared, which is what we're anticipating, off of this basically double bottom or triple bottom off of a major support, we're looking at maybe 45K, possibly 50K over the next week or two if this thing can maintain the momentum. All right, and that's where our targets are distributed within that area. I'm not looking for 60K on this move because, again, we're probably in a wave 4, and wave 4 means we're probably in a corrective consolidation, okay, similar to gold. I've talked about that many times. So the point is this. If we break 40K, okay, it's good. If we don't break 40K, and that's why the risk is so high right now, then this thing can test 30K again, because that 40K resistance at this point is a lower high. Lower highs often lead to lower lows. So Bitcoin struggled to stay above. It stayed above, and here we are. Nice. Okay, again, I don't care why. I don't care about the news. That means nothing. We don't follow any news, and we managed to get into this nice position. So now it's up to Bitcoin to do the work. Either it clears 40K or 40K, it gets stuck again, and then we'll have to make an adjustment. But if it can't break 40K, I would be looking for another test of 30K. Now, in that scenario, there may be a higher low that develops at the 35K area. That higher low would also be a potential buying opportunity if it gives the signal. Again, I'm talking about this from a swing trade perspective only. And by the way, our system is long only. We don't take shorts. I warned a lot of people about shorting in previous videos that I streamed somewhere else. I warned a lot about shorting in this area. So we don't short it anyway. We don't short Bitcoin. But my point is, if you want to learn more about our system, how it works, you can check out Greenbridge Investing. I said the link will be in the descriptive portion. So I'm going to leave you with that. Again, the key point here is patience pays. Okay? Patience is what got us into this position because we waited and waited and waited. More action does not equal better results. All right, so I'll leave you with that thought. Again, if you have any questions, you know where to find me. I just want to, thank you again for taking the time, for watching my video and considering my analysis. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Mark P. Markets. Thank you.